How to unpivot or reverse pivot in Excel? I have data that looks like this. And I want to convert it to this. What's the easiest way to do this in Excel 2007?
You can do this with a pivot table. Create a multiple consolidation ranges pivot table. Only on Pivot Table Wizard. Call up with Alt+D, P on Excel 2007. Select I will create my own page fields. Select your data. Double-click on the grand total value, the one at the intersection of row grand and column grand, all the way on the lower right-hand corner of your pivot table. You should see a new sheet containing all of the data in your pivot table, transposed in the way you're looking for. DataPick Technologies provides step-by-step instructions that are actually more complicated than you need. His example transposes only part of the data set and AMP, uses the pivot technique combined with text to columns. But it does have lots of pictures. Note that a pivot table will group the data. If you want it ungrouped, the only way to do it is to copy the pivot table, and paste special as values. You can then fill in the blanks with a technique like this URL.
If your data isn't an Excel pivot table but just data, you might want to unpivot it with some simple for code. The code depends on two named ranges, source and target. Source is the data you want to unpivot, exclusive of the column/row headers, for example NYV in the sample, and target is the first cell where you want to place your result.
There is quite a nice solution in Excel 2010, just need to play a bit with pivot table. Create a pivot table from your data with these settings. No subtotals, no grand totals. Report layout, tabular form, repeat all item labels. Add all the columns you need, keep columns you want to transform at the right. For each column you want to transform, open Field Settings, in Layout and AMP, Print tab, select Show Item Labels in Outline Form and check both checkboxes below it. Copy your table to a separate location, just values. If you have empty cells in your original data, then filter for empty values in the rightmost column and delete those rows. Don't filter in Pivot Table as it won't work as you need.
I have built an add-in that will let you do that, and that makes it easy to adapt to different situations. Check it out here, this URL.